Blaine, when I'm with you, all the worries in the world melt away in an instant. To most people, and when you think about most things in life, 8 years feels so long, but 8 years with you just is not enough, and I'm so incredibly blessed that we get to make this truly last a lifetime. Love is a word that is much too soft and overused to even begin to describe the way I feel about you. You are a million dreams and prayers come true, and I'm so glad you're all mine. Today, June 25th, 2022, marks the first day of the rest of our lives, making new memories and taking on the world together. I love you forever and always, Karys.
This is so funny because
you got him a watch?
Same brand.
Oh, that's perfect.
Like he knew.
So I want to talk about Blaine and Karys and the 8-year adventure they've had. Blaine and Karys met Karys' and Blaine's senior year and then went off to college. Karys went to Tech, Blaine went to West Virginia. We figured, okay, maybe it'll work out, maybe it won't.
I used to think the moon must be out of his mind, to be chasing the sun through an endless black sky.
When they graduated, Blaine got a job in Pennsylvania. Blaine moved back, and here we are today. So, what I'm trying to say is that the adversity they've gotten through is to me, it shows their love and their foundation.
It's perfect.
I look at them and I'm in awe at times.
Hi, Dad.
This is too hard here.
I love you.
You are a princess.
Princess, you found your king. You'll always be my princess.
Excited?
Really excited.
You look so pretty, sweetheart. Oh my goodness. Oh my God.
Blaine, you're a class act. I can't thank you enough for all you do for her. And just remember, love her tomorrow more than you do today.
Karys and Blaine, when you both started dating, you were just seniors in high school and I was just starting middle school. I was so young, but I always remember being so excited every time Karys told me Blaine was coming over, mainly because he would play Wii games with me, but also because I loved seeing him and my sister together. Ever since Karys and Blaine started dating, I've continued to look up to their relationship and strive for something like that one day.
What Blaine does so well is being able to think about the small things in everyone's life. But I also see that manifest itself in his relationship with Karys. And what I see is a fresh bouquet of flowers every week. And I figured out that Blaine every week goes and gets Karys a fresh bouquet of flowers and puts them in the vase for her.
Blaine, thank you for treating my sister like the princess she is and loving her unconditionally. There's no one else I'd rather want as my brother-in-law.
Karys and Cole, we finally have arrived. I simply cannot put into words the feelings I have being able to marry you today. I felt forever about you 8 years ago. I feel forever about you now. I don't know what I did to deserve you, but I'm the luckiest man to be able to love you and be loved by you. I vow that you will never forget how much I love you and to show you every day that I know exactly how lucky I am to have you in my life.
Today, we celebrate God's great gift of love. Love one another with mutual affection. Outdo one another in showing honor. And that's our prayer for you today as you make your vows to each other.
I, Blaine, take you, Karys, to be my wife, and I promise to be your loving and faithful husband.
I, Karys, take you, Blaine, to be my husband, and I promise to be your loving and faithful wife.
Before God and in the presence of this assembly, I proclaim that they are now husband and wife. I now present to you